Welcome to Threaded South. My name is Ashley, and in this tutorial you will learn how to create a Y2K inspired graphic that's really popular right now. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is create a new document. I am setting my width to 14 and my height will be 11 inches, CMYK 300 resolution. Now we'll fill the background with E0DEDC. Now I'm going to use my type tool and I am going to type out the word Powerpuff. I will change my font to magenta. And my size will be 65. And here I will change my color to DD3D96. Now duplicate this layer and I will type out the word girls and arrange it on the lower right hand side. And then type out the word the, but I will change this font size to 15. Now grab your ellipse tool and we're going to make some starburst shapes. Here, start off with the circle. And I will change my color to 70BF47. And then I will use my triangle tool to finish off my burst shape. And here I'm just duplicating it and placing one on the opposite side. And then duplicate it again and place one on the top and bottom. Now place this shape within a group. And I renamed it and now I am just speeding this up. And for this one, I will change the color to 48B7E9. Now grab your rectangle tool and I'm going to cover up the negative space of the letter P. And of course, change the color so that it matches the lettering. And then click on your polygon tool and change your sides to 5 so that it makes a star shape. And now go to Edit, Transform, Skew. And we're going to change this to about -19. And then we're going to apply a mask on both the rectangle shape and also the word Powerpuff. And we're going to mask away that negative space. Now place it all within a group and duplicate it. And now convert this one to a smart object and place it on the bottom. Now here we will apply a stroke. Change the position to center. And the color will be this 383086. And now we will apply a motion blur. Change the angle to -39 and the distance will be 197. And then position it like so. Now take your pen tool and we're gonna create two crescent shapes. And I will fill my selection with this deep purple color. And now I will use the pen tool to create a highlight. And I will use the light blue color. Now select both of these shapes and duplicate it. And here I will just flip it horizontal and I will flip it vertically and place it on the other end. Now place the entire design within a group. Rename it. And now duplicate it and change the fill to 0%. And now we will apply a stroke. Change the color to 71BF46. And the size will be 10, position is inside, and click OK. Now move it over a tad bit to the left. Now duplicate this layer again and place this one on the bottom. But for this one, we will change the stroke color to 383086 and the size will be 21 pixels. And then move this one over to the right. And there you have it, your very own Y2K inspired shirt design. If you like what you saw today, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you would like to grab some merch, head on over to threadedsouth.com. Thanks for watching.